Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. If you are going to watch the video for the first time from our channel, please do subscribe and support. Let's get into the video. We are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. We'll see the price action of Nifty, what it is saying to us. So Nifty has formed a shooting star at double top and it has given a confirmation for the falling, and we are witnessing the continuous fall for the second day after this 17,400 16,414 has been made. So what it is saying is the price action is going to be very simple. It is forming a double bottom and double top in the lower high. The same kind of pattern was witnessed in Nifty in earlier levels as well. So let me put it down. Let me put the levels for you guys. So we are witnessing a double top and double bottom at lower high. This is the second time in the swing. Earlier we had the same kind of setup, 16,800 to 17,400. The same 600 points rally was seen for almost like 2 weeks, after which it gave a breakout and we were able to see a good fall after this consolidation at this level, and same kind of pattern is seen at this level as well. So what will happen to the Nifty at the current level? So if you look at the swing, it is very clear. It formed a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it gave a breakout, made a lower low, and right now again we got a same pattern at the lower low. It is forming a good double top at lower high and it has started falling. So if this fall is continuing and if the history tends to repeat itself, then definitely what can happen is it can come down and break this level and it can breach towards 15,000 levels. If this is breaking in the upside at 16,400, then definitely we will be seeing 17,000 levels. So these are going to be very good chance for us to pick good stocks and keep investing in SIP mode, or if you whenever you have some small amount of money, we can pick some good stocks and keep on investing in the market. So that is what is the view on Nifty. So the levels for the tomorrow, we'll have a look on the open interest and see how the bears are attacking us on an expiry. So 16,000 level itself is having a huge amount of resistance with almost like 2 lakh contracts at 16,200, and 16,000 levels we saw a very good fight. That is why we didn't close below 16,000 levels for today. We closed at 16,025 and good amount of support at 16,000 was seen, but if you look at the resistance level, it got increased by a huge amount at the end of the day. So if this level is getting broken in the monthly, then definitely looking at the support at the below levels, there are very less amount of support. If this is getting broken, then definitely what can happen is slowly we will be witnessing this levels easily. So we need to focus on each and every single levels, and if there is any reversal, we can start buying. Until then, stay tuned. So if you look at the upside cap, every single 100-point strike is having enough amount of resistance compared to the support at the put options. So what can happen is we will be facing huge amount of resistance for tomorrow definitely. So please be cautious. Don't stay bullish until if you have a good conviction or reversal in the candlesticks. Until then, please stay on sell on rise. That is the way we can trade and make money in this market. So let's go to the Bank Nifty and see what is Bank Nifty telling us. So Bank Nifty has made the same amount of top today as well. As I told yesterday, there was a huge amount of resistance at 35,000. We will be able to test and towards 34,800 and 35,000. Today it made a top of 34,722. As I told, the 35,000 was becoming a good support. That is the reason we made a good jump of almost like 300-400 points. But looking at today's good rejection candle, or we can say like shooting star, tomorrow is going to be a very important day for us. If we are getting a confirmation, then definitely we will be seeing Bank Nifty again towards the 33,000 levels. When we saw the same kind of setup in Nifty, the similar kind of setup is seen in Bank Nifty as well. So this is going to be a good sideways at the lower level. The same kind of double top and double bottom setup was seen in this levels 36,000 37,000 to 35,700, some 1300 points, 1300 points was the range for the previous lower high in the swing. So high, low, lower high, lower low, and when this lower low was broken, then we saw a good sort of dump in the bank nifty and it made a strong lower low. Currently we are witnessing similar kind of setup again. So what can happen is, if the top like 34,800 is getting broken, we will be seeing at least like 5% of jump, which is around 36,440 to 450. And if this level is getting broken, then we will be witnessing 5% downside move, which is from here it is going to be around 1,500 to 31,000. So that is the levels for the bank nifty. Tomorrow the expiry trade will be a very crucial one. Please do stay cautious. Don't put all your money in a single trade. Wait for a setup and then go for the trade. So these are going to be the levels to watch, because in intraday today we saw some bearishness in the market. So this was the low and this was the high. When you put a fib here marking the top and bottom, today the 0.618 was broken. Initially I thought like we'll be going for a bullish trade. From here it gave a 200 point spike, and after which it started coming down. So the 0.618 was not respected today. We are coming down below towards the 0.786. If this is getting broken, we can remain bearish for the entire day. So look, we can go and check the option interest so that we will get a better picture. So looking at 34,000 support is huge when compared to 34,500 resistance. So almost like similar 99,000 contracts at support and 99,000 contracts at resistance. So these levels are going to act as a very crucial ones for today's tomorrow's expiry, monthly expiry. So when one level, either 4,500 should be broken or 34,000 support should be broken, then we will see a drastic fall in the bottom side, in the downside, or a drastic rise in the upside. Because 35,000 we have a very huge upside resistance. Same way, if you look at the bottom, there is very less amount of supports. So if this is getting broken with the bank, then definitely this 1,000 points will be easy to achieve in the downside. So stay cautious, pick right stocks in the bank nifty sector, and do some small amount of investments in every single dip. Thanks for watching the video. Please do stay tuned for upcoming videos. Take care. Bye bye.